What's going on everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video we are going to have a look at on how to do affiliate marketing without a website or a blog. I'm actually going to share a few different ways, some different traffic sources here, so what you need to do is stick around and watch the whole video here to get the most out of it. But first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about affiliate marketing, making money online, and a lot more. Alright guys, this is actually another common question I do get all the time. Can I get started with affiliate marketing without a website and a blog? Of course you can do it, okay? And that's exactly what I'm going to share in today's video here. So we have some things to cover. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so basically first we do need to focus on a niche. We need to decide on what kind of products that we are going to promote here. I'm going to just show you around here a little bit. Something that is very easy to get started with is Amazon.com, because they have millions of products that you can promote. Now, usually you earn anywhere from 3 up to 8% in commissions, so it's not so much, but here it is the amount that counts, and also the 24-hour cookie. What that means is that if someone purchases through your affiliate link on Amazon and purchase anything else, you get the commission for that too. So, I mean, if you play around a little bit here, someone might come and wants to buy a charger, but he also wants to buy a camera. Well, you definitely earn much more than just for a charger there. Alright, so basically it works really simple here. You need to create a free account. You can see here at the bottom, become an affiliate on Amazon.com, and more or less when you have that you will log in and you can search for anything you want. You can search for specific things, so you want to promote this for example, and you just grab an affiliate link there and you can use that. Now, I'm going to show you later on here on how you can actually promote it. So as I said, I'm going to show you the ways here also. But I wanted to show you first also clickbank.com, which is one of the easiest affiliate networks to get started with, because you can create a free account here. It is almost worldwide. And they have thousands of mainly digital products that you can promote here. And if you just have a look here at the marketplace, you can see we have a lot of categories here. Now, usually the most common is wealth, health and fitness, and also dating products. But it doesn't mean that it is only those products. I mean, there are good products in the self-help section, for example. You can see here we can sort by ranking. We can also sort by gravity. This is ClickBank's own metrics, actually what is selling and very hot. So if I go here, for example, health and fitness is definitely something that is popular now as I'm recording the video. And we can see here that the most popular product is the custom keto diet. Now, keto diet is something that has been popular for a while now, and a lot of people, they want to get started. So, I mean, custom keto diet could be actually a very good product to promote. Now, this is a weight loss product, so we have to figure out, of course, how to promote this the best way. So that is what I'm going to show you here also. But first, you can also see here, let me just show you around a little bit. We have the home and gardening. Of course, we have the e-business, the making money online here. So if I just sort it here by gravity, we can have a quick look at the rankings. It is usually almost the same here. We have something called Click Wealth System. We can earn $18.61 here, get paid to use Facebook. So basically what you do here is the perpetual income. Here is a good amount of commission we can earn with this, because they do have also some upsells and basically some rebills. So this is good because it is on a monthly basis. So every month someone continues here with the perpetual income, you will get a commission for that. So it is as simple as grabbing the affiliate link here. You generate a hope link. It's a long ugly link here, and what you need to do is to shorten it And what you can do is you can go to bit.ly.com. Now you can see here I have created an account here already that I use, and you just click on the create, you paste in your long link there, and you can see there is your shortened link. So we copy that and we are going to use that for later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to open up a notepad here. There you go. So we're going to paste it here and we are going to use it later on. Okay, so you can do it similar with the Amazon if you prefer that, while they do have some shortened links there. Or just to give you another platform here, Warrior Plus, which is focused on, of course, making money online niche. What you can do is you get your link here and you can use that Warrior Plus link, or alternatively go to bit.ly and shorten it so you can have some kind of a tracking also. I do recommend that you should have some kind of tracking actually. Alright, now basically just to get started here, since I started with the weight loss product, one way that is very popular that you can promote actually totally free also is via Pinterest. Now this is super hot. I mean, if you just type here, let's type keto diet for beginners, for example. You can see here that we get tons of results, and you can create your profile there with your link, of course. So I'm just going to open up real quick here. I don't know what I'm going to face, but you have to focus on making images here, and you can see I will be redirected here to some landing pages, etc. But Pinterest is definitely a good way to actually promote weight loss products. Now something else here, YouTube. Of course, it is very hot. I mean, YouTube is owned by Google. It is the second largest search engine. And here it is really simple. You don't even have to be in front of the camera actually, because all you have to do is create a good video, good presentation, share it here, create a video and actually upload it. What you're going to do is you need to have a good compelling title, and of course you need to focus on some tags here. So here we have, for example, my other YouTube channel. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to it, I highly recommend you. I do share a lot of different ways here on how you can make money online here also. But something that you need to focus on is actually, let's say, for example, how to lose weight with diet. Let's say here with the keto. You can see here we do get some recommended keywords here, long tail keywords. So this could be something that I think is better to focus on long tail keywords in the beginning, because it's not so much competition. So how to lose weight with keto and intermittent fasting. You can see here I do use actually two tools here. I do have vidIQ and also TubeBuddy. So if I just open it up here, okay, you can see that I do get a pretty good ranking for this actually. So this is as I thought. It is easier to rank for. And what you can do is actually add something else here on the title. You can see here, this is pretty long actually. So you could, let's say here, keto diet 2021 for example. Okay, so people know that it is an updated video that you upload, for example. This could be something to focus on. You need to actually get started with a long tail keywords here regarding YouTube. Okay, so this is a great way, and as I said, do a short presentation. There is tons of materials actually. If I go back here to the custom keto diet, let me just go back here and share it with you. You can see here that there is an affiliate section that we could take advantage of and actually use all the tools here, okay? So you can see here there are lead magnets that you can use, landing pages. You can take advantage of anything you want here. There are articles that you can create a video of. Make sure they are unique actually. This is you can easily rewrite some of the articles here and make a video of it, okay? It is super easy to do this, guys. So this is one way to do it, and of course you can do the same for any other product that you want to promote there. Here's another way. You can go to Facebook. Now Facebook is of course very popular, and what you need to do is you type your keyword, what you're focused on. I just type make money online here, search by groups, and there are many groups here with a lot of members actually. You can see here 77,000, 100,000, and all you have to do is just go inside these groups, okay? You need to join them and you need to start to post. Now, something that is very important here, don't spam your link there, okay? So what you need to do is actually, you can see here, what you're going to do is you're going to be smart here, as I wrote, on how to share your link, okay? And you need to post something like this, okay? I just came up real quick with it here earlier. Hey guys, I tested this product the last 4 weeks and I lost XYZ pound. I was never hungry, for example. You could mention that. If you want to know more about it, please type, I'm sorry, this should be type here. Please type yes, I want, or something like that in the comment section below, and I'll PM you, I'll private message you. Now what happens here is that you are going to actually get people that are really interested to find out about this, and they're going to be more active and actually check out your link as well. And you, of course, you're going to avoid to be spammy there, okay? You need to provide value in the group as well, so if you can add a little bit more, it's definitely going to help you. And of course you can promote it totally free here. Finally, I wanted to mention also TikTok, because it is super hot right now. You can do the exact same thing. I mean, I've seen people in 4 weeks or less, they can actually get 100,000 of followers. And what you do here, you can just see my TikTok account here. Look at this. I have my link here with the #1 recommendation. You can insert your bit.ly link here, and so they can go straight to the offer actually, okay? So just post here the same. You don't have to be in front of the camera if you don't want to. Just post something, look at this meal I ate, for example, show them 2 or 3 eggs or some proteins and stuff like that for the keto diet. So people have a look at it and they're going to check out your link there. It is as easy as that actually. Now basically what I would recommend you to get started with as soon as possible after you get your feet wet with the methods I shared with you here is to build an email list. You heard the phrase the money is in the list, and I talk about it thousands of times. You will hear me say it again and again, okay? This is the #1 priority, because when you build an email list you can promote again and again, okay? But if you take your affiliate link and you send them straight away, you are just losing your money, your time, and you don't want to do that. Now, if you want to find out more about affiliate marketing and how to actually build a long-term sustainable online business with this and a lot more, I highly recommend you to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you get some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.